Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the chainless single crochet technique. This technique is used to make seamless, smooth, straight edges along your work using single crochet stitches. So it's not technically a stitch, but we're going to be using single crochet stitches in this technique. So my swatch here is made up of all just regular single crochet stitches. So we're going to learn how to make this smooth, straight edge along our work. So here is my whip that I'm working on. I made 22 chains and I've made a single crochet into each chain so far. And I need to make a single crochet into my last chain. Then this is where we're going to use that chainless single crochet technique. So you're going to have this loop on your hook, and normally we would make a chain to continue on and then turn our work. But to do it chainless, you're going to take out your hook, flip your work, and then insert your hook back into that same loop, and then you're going to continue making your stitches. And that's going to make that smooth, straight edge along the side. So going over that again. So I made that single crochet into that last chain. I have a loop on my hook. I'm not going to make a chain to turn. I'm going to take my hook out of that loop, turn my work, and then insert my hook back into that loop and start making stitches like I normally would. And you can see how this edge is straight and smooth. So very simple, easy to do. Once you get to the end of any row, you're going to make your last stitch. Have that loop on your hook, take out your hook, turn your work, insert your hook back into that loop, and just keep going. And right now I'm using single crochet stitches as the example. And that's going to keep your edges on your work nice and smooth and straight and even. So that is going to be how to make the chainless single crochet technique. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.